Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all. How are you all? I hope so you all are very fine. So let's start today's class. Today we are going to learn about the century, how to assign assignments, how to set nuggets, and how to check the students' work, and even how a teacher can solve her own nuggets or his own nuggets. So let's start. First of all, we will see what is a century, why we use it. Century is helping teachers making effective interventions and saving time on making data analysis. So find out how it does all this and improve students performance. So let's start how to log in it. For this we will log in the browser. In browser simply we will write century. It is on the top of my search. We will go with www.century.tech. Simply we will go on account login. You will log in with your organization account that your organization has given you. Move with sign in 365. After that you can log in by your account. You can choose another account or you can choose your already saved account. So I will go with it. After that we'll just enter our password. So just let me add my password very quickly. Then we will press sign in. And it's here the century's login. You can see the title, it's the teacher's dashboard. Then teacher dashboard, here is my classes, then all classes, other all, then students. Then after that here is my path, my own path, like I can solve my nuggets from here. These are some core subjects. You can choose your subjects, like if I'm teaching English so I will go with that, and if I'm teaching science and mathematics so I'll go with my subject. So here if we'll click on the very first one, English, so we will press on start. So from here the teacher will start solving her own nuggets. The nuggets of teachers and the student will same. Next is my own courses. Wow, these are my own courses like mathematics, and different courses are here that as a teacher it's visible to me. Then here is teacher's dashboard. These are the different classes that are assigned to me. Then my planner, here is my classes. Then the very important thing, that is assignment, that you all were waiting for it. Here we will assign the nuggets, assignments, and all assignments. Okay, so if you want to create an assignment or you want to assign nuggets to your students, you will go on the create assignment. Very quickly we will solve it again. English, then choose the level will be 3, then create. Here the assignments will be created. After that you can see here nuggets, then class, and we're gonna add nugget here. We will add nugget. We will search the name of nuggets as we have already diagnostic. Okay, here is the list of all nuggets. You will select first nugget that you are going to assign your class, then add nugget. Nugget will be added, and then you will select the publish option. Yes, here it is, and it is assigned to, we are going to assign it to the different classes like class 3 of English. Then we will choose here the date, as today is 16, so I will go with there, then assign. So here we have done the assign of nugget and the assigning of class. Then simply what we will do, we will just go back and we will see on the assignment tool that I'm gonna show you here. Look, I have opened it on any other tab and you can see the assignment is assigned. So if you will go on the my planner, then if you will go on my courses, my path, teacher dashboard, okay, you will see on 3C English, and here you can check the activity of students, class activities. Still there is no activity. When the students will start working, you may see the each and every student and each and every nugget solved by them. Okay, so here are the courses, then mark book, then nuggets that you have assigned, then the assignments and interventions. These are the different parts that you will explore turn by turn. So thank you so much for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.